One woman don't come outside say police don't kill her daughter. Say during the Yoruba Nation rally wey happen, na there stray bullets just go meet this girl, kill this girl. This one happen inside Ojota Park for Lagos State. And I think say this rally, they even want people say make people no come outside. But as we gather our information, they talk say these Yoruba people come outside say they won't come protest due to the bad things where they happen inside Lagos State. Now there some people gather say that they go protest this thing, say the whole wahala where they happen, they no like them. This girl now on her own, no, she go to open shops. Make she open shop, go do her normal business. We don't know where stray bullets just go come outside from. Just go knock this girl from Nadia. Before I go here, the girl don't even die. My people, I beg, make now follow me watch.
Láti kékeré ni mama Jésù pamọ́. Mama Jésù pamọ́ láti. Olúwa o. Mama. Ìyá mi lọ. Lálẹ́ sọ. Lálẹ́ ni lọ sílẹ̀. Ìwọ lọ. Wọ́n dá pé.
She's the person.
The auntie.
Okay, the auntie. Okay,
She's
auntie. Working with her.
See as person mama they cry. Say pikin wey she don't train since when this girl dey small, so up to this 25 years old. Now the police come know say they won't go shoot gun wey go touch this girl. And now when they want, I think say this whole protest of 18. They cancel them because I remember say federal government come outside talk say make this protest no hold. But I say people they really vex for them to come outside. But even if now one protest, I beg. Wetin come bring the shooting of gun? Because now this same federal government self, the IG now still come outside talk say the whole shooting they dey there, say police people go dey there to protect the people so that hijacking of this protest no go happen. So I come dey surprise say this kind thing even happen. And this man he use him mouth talk this kind thing by himself. My people I beg, make now follow me watch.
We are ready to take care of them if they continue to violate the law. And the other part is that we need to show first now to let members of the public know that that is the law abiding members of the public that we are ready to protect them. That's two of us. So is a regular thing. Don't allow them to get ready. It's a regular anti-security, anti-crime strategy.
And I don't say Abi, you talk say you want protect people. So I beg, how come shooting and throwing of tear gas and water can't happen for this kind of place? It means say all this one way in a talk and I don't even plan them at all. And I don't decide say if these people come and I go attack them. Because I don't understand this kind of way police people they do. And I go there saying I want protect people. And I go reach there and another thing I want they do. Now so now they run their own business and now say now they protect the lives of citizens. This one now they pursue them. But thank God this, in fact, this whole matter will happen. The woman says the whole thing even happens. Nadia, she rush. Go police station, go tell police, and I don't kill my pikin. Police don't say, no be them. Where evidence even dey? Person see and say, you throw, you shoot gun touch person for body. Police can't talk, say, no be them. See, as then this woman, they face them, they complain, and the police even start to threaten them. Say, if they don't come out from that station, they go shoot them. I mean, what's the worry our police people? What's the worry Nigerian police? Why you go to threaten person? Person come meet you say you shoot him pikin. You can't even get mind. Tell and say you go carry gun shoot him again. Now so now they run our own business. How na no go expect say people go dey fear? How na want make people come dey meet and say okay, I get problem, make I come meet police. Now because of this na ways, this na katakata ways, now make people dey run comot from these things. Now make people go see on a run say police no be their friend because na no fit help them in any way. This woman now, she don't come out and say, may government help her because na bullet kill her daughter. Now her pikin dey normal, she no dey follow them protest, she just dey go on her own. So this whole matter made them put mouth. And I happy say the governor of Lagos State don't come outside, they don't accept. Say yes, so they don't claim, say the killing of the girl, they don't accept her. And they don't send their condolence to this girl's family. And say they want to investigate. Now that matter, they shock me. Say they want to investigate the matter. One thing I want to investigate, they say the army will shoot the person, be the police will shoot her. Because now we don't know, say now true during that protest, now this whole thing happened. So the remaining thing when I supposed to know now, who shoots this guy, be who shoots that bullet when we say go reach this person. And I know go surprise self say we go hear say some other people say their wound. Because upon say this protest and a peaceful one, people they sing. Police still go there, go they beat people. What's the warriors? So people now no get right to come outside, use their mouth, talk, say, okay, the things where government they do, they no like and make it, they won't complain. Before I go see that, I don't silence the person. This innocent girl now, we no can do anything, I even can the pepper me. If you now know say this gun, and I don't ready to use and shoot, and I don't say I won't go there, go do peaceful protest. In fact, I will never carry him at all. Keep the gun for house. As you know, say a peaceful thing you won't do. Make everywhere dead jelly. Make an adults they follow them say I won't protest them. Now they not going to tear gas, to water on top of. Say what happen? Nigerian government and Nigerian police on a matter don't even tire me. My people are here this one. I want to make a bring and reach in aside. Making a service now here. Here waiting they happen. Making don't forget to like and also share this video. I go see you on for our next video.